ATI TEAS questions. Question 1. After Purple Group 31 reads a passage about hand hygiene during the exam prep review, which sentence states the main idea? Option A. Gloves remove the need for soap. Option B. All microbes are harmless. Option C. Most infections begin at home. Option D. Hand hygiene reduces the spread of infection. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because it summarizes the central point that clean hands protect patients and staff. Gloves remove the need for soap is wrong because the passage focuses on hand washing and does not claim gloves replace it, and all microbes are harmless is wrong because the passage treats microbes as a risk to control. Most infections begin at home is wrong because home exposure is not the focus of the passage. Question 2. When Purple Group 31 sees details that the library lights flicker, thunder grows louder, and students move away from the windows, which inference is most reasonable? Option A. The students are celebrating. Option B. A fire drill has ended. Option C. A storm is getting close. Option D. The building has no electricity. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the details about thunder, flickering lights, and moving from windows support that a storm is nearby. The students are celebrating is wrong because the mood is cautious rather than celebratory, and a fire drill has ended is wrong because no alarm or evacuation detail is given. The building has no electricity is wrong because the lights flicker but the passage does not show a full outage. Question 3. During Purple Group 31's exam prep review, a passage shows statistics about sleep, gives tips, and encourages students to protect bedtime. Which author purpose fits best? Option A. To advertise a hospital job. Option B. To narrate a personal vacation. Option C. To prove math formulas. Option D. To encourage healthier study habits. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the tips and encouragement show the author wants readers to change a habit. To advertise a hospital job is wrong because no job is being promoted, and to narrate a personal vacation is wrong because the prompt gives advice rather than a trip story. To prove math formulas is wrong because sleep tips are unrelated to formula proof. Question 4. While Purple Group 31 outlines a passage that starts with low scores, explains causes, and then recommends a weekly plan, which structure is being used? Option A. Cause only. Option B. Problem and solution. Option C. Chronological order. Option D. Definition. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a problem is introduced and a proposed fix follows. Cause only is wrong because the passage also gives a solution, and chronological order is wrong because events are not mainly arranged by time. Definition is wrong because the passage does not simply define one term. Question 5. Before Purple Group 31 accepts the claim that graphs can reveal trends faster than paragraphs, which detail gives the strongest support? Option A. Some graphs use green ink. Option B. A line graph showed score growth across 4 weeks at a glance. Option C. Paragraphs use complete sentences. Option D. A chart title can be short. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the graph example shows quick trend recognition. Some graphs use green ink is wrong because color choice is not evidence of faster trend reading, and paragraphs use complete sentences is wrong because that does not show graphs reveal trends faster. A chart title can be short is wrong because title length does not prove the claim. Question 6. Since Purple Group 31 sees the word consistent in her scores became consistent after she used the same review routine, which meaning fits the context? Option A. Rarely seen. Option B. Completely random. Option C. Extremely silent. Option D. Steady or reliable. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because consistent describes results that do not vary wildly. Rarely seen is wrong because the sentence is about pattern, not visibility, and completely random is wrong because random is the opposite of steady. Extremely silent is wrong because sound level is unrelated. Question 7. Given Purple Group 31 answers 17 out of 40 practice items correctly, which percent matches the result? Option A, 57.5%. Option B, 42.5%. Option C, 29.82%. Option D, 23.53%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 17 divided by 40 equals 0.425, and multiplying by 100 gives 42.5%. 57.5% is wrong because it subtracts before converting rather than converting the given fraction, and 29.82% is wrong because it compares the part to the total plus the part or uses an incomplete setup. 23.53% is wrong because it uses the wrong comparison instead of dividing the part by the whole. Question 8. If Purple Group 31's score rises from 64 to 80, what percent increase should be recorded? Option A, 125%. Option B, 20%. Option C, 25%. Option D, 16%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the increase is 16, and 16 divided by the original score 64 equals 25%. 125% is wrong because it gives the new score as a percent of the old score, not the percent increase, and 20% is wrong because it divides by the new value instead of the original value. 16% is wrong because it reports the raw point gain rather than dividing by the original value. Question 9. Suppose Purple Group 31 solves 2x plus 11 equals 19. Which value of x makes the equation true? Option A, 5. Option B, 4. Option C, 3. Option D, 8. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because subtracting 11 leaves 2x equals 8, and dividing by 2 gives x equals 4. 5 is wrong because it is one step away from the value that balances both sides, and 3 is wrong because it reverses or skips part of the inverse operation. 8 is wrong because it treats the constant or coefficient as if it were the final answer. Question 10. Using Purple Group 31's rectangle diagram with 9 cm long and 7 cm wide, which area should be recorded? Option A, 32 cm. Option B, 63 square cm. Option C, 2 square cm. Option D, 16 square cm. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because area is length times width, so 9 times 7 equals 63. 32 centimeters is wrong because that is the perimeter, not the area, and 2 square cm is wrong because it subtracts dimensions, which does not measure area. 16 square cm is wrong because it adds the sides rather than multiplying them. Question 11. From Purple Group 31's measurement note of 750 ml, which conversion to L is accurate? Option A, 75 L. Option B, 7.5 L. Option C, 0.75 L. Option D, 0.075 L. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 1000 milliliters equal 1 liter, so moving the decimal 3 places gives 0.75 L. 75 L is wrong because the decimal is moved in the wrong scale, and 7.5 L is wrong because the decimal is moved only 2 places. 0.075 L is wrong because the decimal is moved 1 place too far. Question 12. In Purple Group 31's score set 73, 70, 66, 58, 86, which median should be reported? Option A, 70. Option B, 86. Option C, 58. Option D, 70.6. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the scores are ordered as 58, 66, 70, 73, 86, and the middle value rule gives 70. 86 is wrong because it selects another listed score instead of the central value, and 58 is wrong because it is an extreme value or unrelated value rather than the middle after sorting. 70.6 is wrong because it uses a mean-like or added value rather than the median method. Question 13. For Purple Group 31, 4 review packets cost $16. At the same rate, how much do 7 packets cost? Option A, $24. Option B, $28. Option C, $28. Option D, $23. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because $16 divided by 4 gives $4 per packet, and 7 packets cost $28. $24 is wrong because it is 1 unit price short of the proportional cost, and $28 is wrong because it multiplies the two quantities and ignores the price. $23 is wrong because it adds the new quantity to the old cost instead of finding the unit rate. Question 14. Near Purple Group 31's protein-making review, which organelle matches the function being reviewed? Option A, mitochondria. Option B, lysosomes. Option C, vacuoles. Option D, ribosomes. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because ribosomes assemble amino acids into proteins. Mitochondria is wrong because mitochondria produce ADP rather than proteins, and lysosomes is wrong because lysosomes digest waste materials. Vacuoles is wrong because vacuoles mainly store materials. Question 15. Because Purple Group 31 traces circulation and blood enters the right atrium, where does it go next? Option A, aorta from the lungs. Option B, trachea from the lungs. Option C, vena cava from the body. Option D, pulmonary vein from the body. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the superior and inferior vena cava return deoxygenated blood to the right atrium. Aorta from the lungs is wrong because the aorta carries blood away from the heart, and trachea from the lungs is wrong because the trachea carries air, not blood. Pulmonary vein from the body is wrong because pulmonary veins carry blood from lungs to left atrium. Question 16. Although Purple Group 31 sees alveoli drawn as tiny sacs, which feature helps oxygen enter blood quickly? Option A, a small surface area. Option B, a layer of enamel. Option C, a sealed membrane with no blood flow. Option D, a large surface area. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because many tiny sacs create more area for oxygen and carbon dioxide to diffuse. A small surface area is wrong because less area would reduce gas exchange, and a layer of enamel is wrong because enamel is tooth tissue, not lung tissue. A sealed membrane with no blood flow is wrong because blood flow is needed to carry gases. Question 17. Once Purple Group 31 notices that dehydration increases and thirst becomes stronger, which process explains the response? Option A, genetic drift. Option B, blood clotting cascade only. Option C, mechanical digestion. Option D, homeostatic regulation. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because thirst motivates fluid intake to help restore water balance. Genetic drift is wrong because genetic drift is a population-level allele change, and blood clotting cascade only is wrong because clotting is not the water balance response. Mechanical digestion is wrong because mechanical digestion breaks food into pieces. Question 18. Where Purple Group 31 studies genetics and a heterozygous tall plant TT crosses with another TT plant, which offspring chance matches the expected result? Option A, 75%. Option B, 25%. Option C, 100%. Option D, 50%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because TT and TT genotypes show the dominant tall phenotype in 3 of 4 outcomes. 25% is wrong because 1 of 4 is the recessive short phenotype, and 100% is wrong because 1 outcome is TT and would not be tall. 50% is wrong because 2 of 4 are heterozygous but phenotype is not limited to carriers. Question 19. As Purple Group 31 reviews chemistry and water molecules form weak attractions with each other, which conclusion follows? Option A, metallic bonds. Option B, hydrogen bonds. Option C, ionic bonds. Option D, covalent bonds. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because polar water molecules attract through hydrogen bonding between partial charges. Metallic bonds is wrong because metallic bonds occur among metal atoms, and ionic bonds is wrong because ionic bonds involve electron transfer between ions. Covalent bonds is wrong because covalent bonds hold atoms together within a water molecule. Question 20. Under Purple Group 31's experiment testing whether study breaks affect quiz accuracy, which setup is the control group? Option A, students who choose any schedule they want. Option B, students whose scores are not recorded. Option C, students taking no planned breaks while using the same quiz. Option D, students using a different quiz and breaks. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the group without the tested break schedule provides a baseline. Students who choose any schedule they want is wrong because uncontrolled schedules make comparison weak, and students whose scores are not recorded is wrong because no data would be available. Students using a different quiz and breaks is wrong because different quizzes create another variable. Question 21. Between Purple Group 31's grammar options, which sentence uses subject-verb agreement correctly? Option A. Each of the practice questions has an explanation. Option B. Each of the practice questions were an explanation. Option C. Each of the practice question has an explanations. Option D. Each of the practice questions have an explanation. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because each is singular and takes has. Each of the practice questions were an explanation. Is wrong because were does not fit the singular subject or meaning, and each of the practice question has an explanations. Is wrong because question and explanations have number errors. Each of the practice questions have an explanation. Is wrong because have incorrectly agrees with questions instead of each. Question 22. Inside Purple Group 31's sentence the team updated blank schedule after the review. Which pronoun should replace the blank? Option A, dits. Option B, dits. Option C, them. Option D, they. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because team is a singular collective noun in this sentence, so it fits formal agreement. Its is wrong because it means it is and cannot modify schedule, and them is wrong because them is an object pronoun. They is wrong because they is a subject pronoun and does not show possession before schedule. Question 23. Through Purple Group 31's punctuation review, which sentence uses a semicolon correctly? Option A, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. Option B, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. Option C, Maya studied, because science was hard. Option D, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because both sides of the semicolon are complete related sentences. Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math is wrong because the mark separates the subject from the verb, and Maya studied, because science was hard, is wrong because the second part is not an independent clause. Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math is wrong because the first part is a run-on before the semicolon. Question 24. According to Purple Group 31's grammar check, which revision fixes the run-on sentence? Option A. Because the passage was long but the main idea. Option B. The passage was long, the main idea was clear. Option C. The passage was long, the main idea was clear. Option D. The passage was long, but the main idea was clear. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because but with a comma correctly joins contrasting independent clauses. Because the passage was long but the main idea is wrong because the sentence is incomplete, and the passage was long, the main idea was clear, is wrong because a comma alone cannot join two independent clauses. The passage was long, the main idea was clear, is wrong because the clauses run together. Question 25. Beyond Purple Group 31's vocabulary drill, which meaning does the prefix tachi add? Option A, around. Option B, under. Option C, fast. Option D, slow. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because tachi means fast, as in tachycardia meaning a fast heart rate. Around is wrong because around is peri dash, and under is wrong because under is sub dash. Slow is wrong because slow is Brady dash, not tachi dash.